Are you ready for automating your WhatsApp conversations? Then watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up WhatsApp chatbot within 10 minutes. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot within 10 minutes, and I'm going to create this WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, which is an amazing automation tool that help you create WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistants which will automate your conversations within the WhatsApp. So now let's see how this automation is going to work in real time, and afterwards we will proceed towards creating this automation. So for testing the WhatsApp chatbot which I have built in, let's move on towards my WhatsApp with me, and here I'm going to enter a message that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot. So now let me enter this message, and as I have provided this message, I'm getting this welcome message which says hello, welcome to beauty salon, how can I help you today? And here we are getting this button that is view services, and I have created this WhatsApp chatbot for my beauty salon business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running, whether it's any service based business or any online business you are running. And here we are getting the list of the top services. So now let's open this list and check out some services. So here I'm going to select this first service, that is haircut, and as I have selected this service, I'm getting the image of the service with its details, and here we are getting this button that is yes. For this question, that is would you like to book haircut, and here I'm going to select it, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my name. So here I'm going to enter my name as demo user. So now let me enter it, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my preferred date. So here I'm going to enter my preferred date for the appointment as 21st April 2026, and as I have provided my preferred date, I'm getting this booking confirmation message. So now you have seen, as soon as I have entered the message, I'm getting all the services provided by this particular business, and here I'm getting the image of the service with its all the details, and here I have booked the appointment for this particular service. So now you can also create a WhatsApp chatbot by using which you can automate the booking confirmations. And now let me show you how it is going to be created. So for that, let's move on towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, where we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. And if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user, then you have to access Pabbly Chatflow by typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this WhatsApp chatbot and want to create it for any business you are running, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code for you, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. And I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards my flow page, where I have already added my WhatsApp number with the Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn more about this process of adding WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow, then you can find video link in the description given below. And here on this flow page we are getting this option for trigger, and now you might be wondering what is this trigger. So trigger defines the event which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts the conversation, and many more. But here I am going to keep it as keyword regex match. Now you might be wondering what is this keyword and regex. So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot, and as we have recently interacted with this WhatsApp chatbot, I have started my conversation or initiated my WhatsApp chatbot with this word hello. So this is the keyword which I have used for initiating my WhatsApp chatbot. So here I am going to enter my keyword as hello. So I'm going to just type it and press the enter key, and with this we have successfully created our keyword. And afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the advanced user input. So if you want to trigger any of the advanced user input, then you can enter regex like this, but for now I already have my keyword, so I'm removing this regex from here. Now on your left hand side you can see these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flows. So you can drag any of these blocks for creating the WhatsApp chatbot flow. Now if a user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message. So for that I just have to drag and drop, and here we are getting all these content type. So from here I'm going to select the text button by using which I'm going to send welcome message. So here I'm going to enter the message which I'm going to send. So here I have entered this welcome message. Now I'm going to add a button to this message note. So for that we just have to click over this add button, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter the button name. So here I have entered my button name as view services, and afterwards we are getting this field for selecting the button type. So from this field you can select your button type either as quick reply or link if you want this button to react as a link, but I'm going to keep it as quick reply. Now let's click over the save button, and here we have successfully created our button. And now if my user select this button of the view services, I'm going to provide them list of the services provided by my business. So for that I'm going to use this list node, and here I'm going to provide a body to my list. So here I have provided this body to my list. Now I'm going to add a section in this list, and here I'm going to enter the section title as service. And afterwards in this section I'm going to add some items. So for that we just have to click over this add items, and let's enter the title of our first list item or the first service. So here I have entered the title of my first list item. Now likewise I'm going to add some more items to this list. So here I have added 2 more items to my list, that is facial and bridal package. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I want to get that response or the service which my user has selected. So for that we have to provide contact custom field to all these list items, and for providing the contact custom field you just have to move over the actions where you will see this node, that is set custom field, which you have to select. And now I am going to connect it with my first list item, and from here you can select the contact custom fields created in your account. And now you might be thinking, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a column which consists of a particular data. So here I'm going to select my contact custom field as service type, means this contact custom field is going to store the service which my user has selected, and we can send personalized messages by using this contact custom field by just adding $sign with this variable, that is service type. And now it is asking me to enter the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field. So here I have entered the same value for which I am creating this contact custom field. And if you want to create your own contact custom field, then you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields which you have to select, and you will be landed to the contact custom fields page which I have already opened. And here you can check out the previously created contact custom fields by me. Now for creating a new one we just have to click over this add more field button, and here you have to provide the field name and click over the save button, and your contact custom field will be created. And here I am going to provide contact custom field to remaining list items too. So here I have provided the contact custom field. Now if my user selects any of these services, I am going to provide them image of that particular service. So for that we just have to drag and drop, and here we are getting this option for media. So I have selected this media button. So by adding this media button you can provide any type of media such as image, audio, video, document, etc. to your customers. And here I am going to upload a new image. So I am going to select this media type as image, and here I am going to add my image. And here I'm landed to my media library where I have already added some of the images. And if you want to add a new image, then you can just click over this add new image button, and here I'm going to select this image, that is haircut. So I have selected it. Now we just have to click over this insert button, and here we have inserted our image, and we are automatically getting the URL of this image. And now I'm going to add the details of this service by selecting this add content, and here I'm getting this text button which I'm going to select, and here I'm going to enter all the details of this service and creating a button, that is yes, for booking this service. So here I have provided the detail and created this button yes, and now I'm going to do the same for remaining list items too. So here you can see that I have provided the image and the details of all the services. And now if my user select this button, that is yes, I'm going to ask them some questions. So for that we just have to move over the actions where you will see this node, that is ask question, which you have to select. And now in this question node I'm going to enter a question asking for the full name of my user or the client for booking the appointment. So now let me enter it. So here I have entered this question asking for the name, and now I am going to select my contact custom field as full name and the format as any. Now likewise I am going to add one more question to this flow. So here I have added one more question asking for the preferred date. Now if my user provides me answer of both these questions, I'm going to provide them a thank you or the confirmation message in this text button node. So here I have entered this confirmation message, and with this we are successfully done with the creation of our flow. Now we just have to save it by simply selecting the save button. So in this video I have shown you how you can set up a WhatsApp chatbot for your business, and I have shown you some steps, but you can create this WhatsApp chatbot according to the business you are running. And now this WhatsApp chatbot is going to automate all your conversations with your clients. And by using the WhatsApp chatbot, you can even add the data in the Google Sheet, assign AI assistant which is going to respond to all the customer queries, and there's many more things which you can do in this chatbot. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and I have provided the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.